Hello friends, today I am going to discuss in this video about the Google success story of Google, mainly YouTube. Google's main business. The Google business main business of Alphabet Incorporation. Alphabet Incorporation is the holding company and Google is a subsidiary company and the main business of Alphabet Incorporation is Google. What Google sells, Google is selling online advertising space to merchants placed across its products from internet search to Gmail and then to YouTube. Google is the most visited website in the world. Advertisers can pay the company to have their advertisement in their search results for specified terms because the number of Google searches conducted per year is over 1 trillion. The company has a huge user base to leverage for advertising dollars. Google affiliate business. As of 2018, Google is expanding its core business and has several ambitious projects in works. Potential future business segments for the company include smart devices, manufacturing of human longevity research, and urban infrastructure. These projects, however, remain in various phases of research and development and do not generate significant revenue at present. YouTube founders. YouTube was first founded by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Javed Karim when they worked for a PayPal. PayPal is a very famous payment company, international payment company, and these founders, Google founders, worked in the first PayPal. Prior to working for PayPal, Hurley studied design at the Indiana University of Pennsylvania, and Chen and Karim studied computer science together at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign in USA. YouTube's initial headquarters was above a pizza shop and a Japanese restaurant in San Mateo, California. Do you remember Microsoft started its main business from a car garage? Like these people started a small business unit above the pizza shop in California. Angel funding. YouTube began as an angel-funded expertise working for a makeshift office in a garage. Like this, like Microsoft also, Google also worked in from a garage. In November 2005, venture firm Sequoia Capital invested an initial $3.5 million and
in tools scored 4 and Microsoft scored 4.3 and Oath scored 4.3 and others 2.2. In this Alphabetic as combined with Google and Facebook dominate the US market 63.1%.
1 in 5 YouTubers users say it is very important for them to help them to understand things that are happening in the world. So by surfing YouTube, they understand the recent development that is happening in the world, whether it may be a news or some other new video features. From that, they are understanding what is happening in the world up to date. Next, some 28% is telling just passing the time. To pass over the time, they are using YouTube. They are telling. Another 19% are telling deciding whether to buy a particular product or not. So YouTube is a very important media where consumers go and search whether to go for a product or to buy it or not, and also how to use the product. Say when they go to YouTube and find a video how to use that product, that will be very helpful. Suppose if I purchase a camera and I don't know what is the mechanism, and if I go to the YouTube and find videos relating to that particular camera, then I can understand what is the technical features of the camera and how to use it. That is very important in using the YouTube. That's why how I learned camera operation. Next, understanding the another 19% are feeling that understanding things happen in the things. They are understanding
what is happening in the world, whether there is any war can erupt between Iran and America or third world war, like that they can understand the recent political features about coronavirus, anything, whatever the subject, everything available is in YouTube.
Next, if we analyze the percentage of visitors for YouTube, USA stands first. Nearly 15.3% people are among the world in the totally visits YouTube in United States. India ranks second, and Japan ranks third, 4.8%, whereas India is taking about 8.3%. Russia stands fourth, 4.5%, and China stands fifth, 3.7 percentage.
Some important statistics on YouTube. 2 billion monthly active YouTube users. 73% of US adults use YouTube. YouTube, the most downloaded iOS application in 2018. As of December 2018, YouTube installed on 5 billion Android devices. 1 billion hours of YouTube content viewed per day throughout the world. 500 hours of content uploaded to YouTube every minute. 250 million hours of YouTube viewed per day on TV screens. YouTube localized to 91 countries and is accessible in 80 different languages throughout the world. Estimated YouTube valuation is about $140 to $160 billion, whereas in 2006 YouTube was acquired by Google for just $1.5 billion. Now it has grown to about $140 to $160 billion in 2020. This is some important statistics on YouTube. Likewise, if you analyze social platforms users, active users accounts, as of January 2019, YouTube occupied the second largest position and viewers in social platform. And this graph shows the clear picture how YouTube ranks in second in the total active user accounts in social platforms. If you analyze this graph, the Facebook and YouTube continue to be the most widely used online platforms among US adults. Percentage of US adults who say they ever use the following online platforms or messaging applications online or on their cell phone. YouTube ranks the first position, 73%, and Facebook occupies the second position, 69%. Instagram occupies 37%, Pinterest occupies 28%, LinkedIn 27%, Snapchat 24%, Twitter 22%, WhatsApp 20%, Reddit it's just 11%. So if you analyze the above graph, you can understand Facebook and YouTube continue to be the most widely used among US adults. Likewise, if you analyze the Google's advertising revenue trend from the year 17 to 19, the first quarter of 17 posted $21.4 billion, whereas first quarter of 2019 Google posted $30.7 billion. There is an enormous increase of nearly $9.3 billion for Google in advertising revenue trend. So this is a remarkable phase achieved by Google Incorporation.
Finally, we can discuss now how YouTubers earn money from YouTube. Through YouTube, people looking to gain large followings and monetize those followings are referred to as YouTubers. Now a new word has come, YouTubers. YouTubers will make money selling ad space, advertisement space, like a traditional business, as well as offering paid product placement and selling directly to their followers base. Some of the top YouTube stars make close to $20 million per year. However, most make much less or none at all. Despite of these challenges, people who are able to attract a large and loyal following can make a substantial income on YouTube. According to Forbes, the highest paid YouTube video creators are pulling in close to $20 million per year. So it is easy to see why many chase this seemingly bottomless well of income. Hello friends, if you like my channel, please I request you to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button so that whenever I produce new videos, it will reach you immediately. And I am very much thankful for watching this video.